Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Cobb Reservoir, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hinton, Carnegie, Ringer, Fort Cobb, Lookeba, Fort Cobb Reservoir, Albert, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. A severe thunderstorm warning